Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another adventure. Again, we're getting near the end of the season, so it's a bit cold out here today, but I was like, I got a sunny day, I gotta get out on the water and get something for you guys. So today we're out on the Otonabee River. It is well into fall now. Hopefully there is still one or two more after this, but till then, let's just live with this one and see what we got. So let's go run this river, enjoy the day out here, and see what we get up to. All right, let's go. Oh, here's my zipper. Hey, Mama zipper. Yes, there we go. All right, guys, let's go. end of the river. Now we're coming right out to Rice Lake, and I realized that, oh, no, I can't get wet. I can't get wet. It is just absolutely ripping wind out here. That is not a promising sight at all. And I don't even know if you can hear me. Let me pop over here into the shade. But it's blowing pretty good. I think they said the forecast was something like 20 to 30K by midday, and we're approaching that right now. So, and it's freezing cold. I don't want to get soaked. So we'll make our way back up the river. This is Rice Lake. We've been here in a previous video, and this is as far as we got in that video as well. Curse you, Rice Lake. So let's stay in the protection of the river, and let's go. Oh, wake up. Damn it. Oh, wake up. That's funny. Well, guys, we've made it back. I'll shut it down in a second. I'll give you a speech. Well, guys, that wraps up another video. CG's all put away, strapped down, we're ready to hit the road. So I just want to say thanks so much for watching this one. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Guys, it's been an amazing season. Like I said, I think we're going to be able to get one or two more maybe in. If weather like this keeps holding up, I'll keep trying to get out there for you. So stick around, but until the next video, be safe out on the water. Peace.